We will make a traditional beef broth today, with liver dumplings and vegetables. You will need beef, marrow bone, onion, carrots, a parsnip, a bay leaf, allspice berries, peppercorns, and salt. For the dumplings, veal liver, an egg, breadcrumbs, pepper, marjoram, parsley, salt, and garlic. Chop one onion in half. You should wash the onion, but do not peel it. Place the onion into a slow cooker, together with a few pieces of marrow bone, and a piece of beef. We are using 250 grams of beef shin in this video. Add a little bit of water, and roast these ingredients in the oven, at 200 degrees Celsius, for about half an hour. Turn the meat over, halfway through. While the beef is in the oven, you can prepare the vegetables. Peel 2 carrots. Peel 1 parsnip. After half an hour, take the dish out of the oven, and place it back in the slow cooker. Add plenty of boiling water. Add a bay leaf. Add half a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Add a few allspice berries, about half a teaspoon. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add the root vegetables. Slow cook the broth for at least 3 hours. To make the liver dumplings, use 200 grams of veal liver. Use a mixer to process the liver until smooth. Add 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram. Add 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley. Add 1 clove of crushed garlic. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Stir the mixture. Add 1 egg. Add 5 level tablespoons of breadcrumbs. Place the mixture in the fridge for half an hour. Place the remaining breadcrumbs on a plate. Roll a small amount of the liver mixture in the breadcrumbs, creating a dumpling. Repeat with the remaining mixture. The dumplings need to be simmered very gently, for about 20 minutes. While the dumplings are simmering, sieve the beef broth. Simmer the beef broth gently, to keep it warm. Clean the root vegetables, and cut them into small pieces. Cut the meat into small pieces as well. Add the meat and the vegetables back into the broth. Once the dumplings are ready, place them in soup bowls, and pour the beef broth over the dumplings. You could sprinkle fresh parsley on top.